rival yami is the God himself, yabona. So these puppies on earth, they've got nothing, yabona. So bayasho ukuthi nabo Shembe nabo Lihanyane, yabona, they are giants, yabona. So ngithi mina ngu-David.
Sure.
Yeah, ngizele bona mina ngazalelwa ukuthi ngizela ezweni ngizokhulela abantwana bakamama. So manje i-freedom yabantwana bakamama isiqala nge-spirituality.
Okay.
Yeah, so thina besihluleka indaba ukuthi manje sikhululeke, yabona. Ngoba thina besithi sibheka amabhoni. Kanti sibanjwe lethule. Labathakathi laba bayithu, yabona. So umama uthi siqala ngala. Siqala ngokususa lezi uShembe sesiqedile ngaye, yabona. Yeah, nawe nangaye uthi uyothwala lapha kaBhakanzama ngeke ubuye nalutho. Into ozoyibona nje manje ukuthi le ndaba le is spiritual, yabona. Uzobona nje ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani lapha KZN laba abathwala lapha, yabo. Lama politicians bonke laba from January uthi namanje kusaqalele nje sisencane lo, yabona. Yeah, silifuna le flag elithi leli lapha le Illuminati flag le nibiza nge-South African flag. Sifuna ithi, yabona.
Usuthini manje? Hey.
Yeah,
le flag red and green
balehlise balikhuphule.
Sure.
Yabona demo balehlise balikhuphule inkinga ziba yincane.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So a former Kingdom of Darkness worker went to a podcast here on YouTube to make I must say very serious and damaging allegations against KZN church leader Ushembe, and of course Limpopo Zion Christian Church member Bishop Lehanyane, you guys. And he, according to according to him rather, are the biggest witches to ever exist, and he claims that they run two of the biggest rather cults in South Africa, you guys. He says that those two churches are not governed by the Holy Spirit. They are not God's churches at all, as he considers them a cult. He also made damaging allegations against the Church of Shembe and says even politicians would go to Shembe Church because he believes they practice Ukutwala. And he says it is his mission, of course, to try to educate people who are, according to him, in the darkness, as he believes that those two churches are not led by the Holy Spirit, are not led by God. You guys, what do you think about those allegations? Please do engage your thoughts, of course, with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Make sure also that you do share this video to as much as you can. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.